So I've been wood project building for about 10 years, and 5 years ago I ended up purchasing this saw and started out with great results. A couple years into it, actually it wasn't even a couple years, it was a project that I was trying to build. I was doing a face frame and the boards just weren't going together very well, and I thought it was the way I was joining it, but it really turned out to be that the cuts weren't very good. And so I kind of asked Mike here, Mike, what saw can I get? What saw do I need to purchase in order to start making these face frames? I've got a couple picture frames that I wanted to do as well. And I was really looking at upgrading my saw to see what I could do. And he kind of laughed at me at the time and said, well, what are you using for a blade? And I kind of sheepishly showed him what I had here. And that's where it kind of took over for me. Mike mentioned that it wasn't the saw, it was the blade. And the parts that I was trying to cut with a general purpose blade just wasn't going to give me the results that I needed. He recommended that I upgrade to a 60-tooth fine finish blade, and ever since I put that in, it's been absolutely fantastic.
Yeah, I get that a lot, Alan. The people that I talk to ask me questions. It's really one of the best things that you can do is, for cross-cutting, higher tooth count, like this 60-tooth blade. Gives you a real clean cut, and then for ripping materials, going with a lower tooth count blade like this 24, same type of thing. You're going with the grain, so it gives you a real smooth, clean cut that way. Another interesting point really is with the blades that you have is to maintain them. One of the best things you can do is to pull it out and even just clean it occasionally. There are some specialty cleaners that you can buy, but even just a good dish detergent and a soft toothbrush to get the pitch off the teeth. You'd be surprised how much that can improve your cuts as well.
Yeah. So ultimately, that was one of the biggest things that I really upgraded. Kind of the projects I was able to build was upgrading my blade, and it was crazy. $40 to spend on a blade really helped out. It made the difference, and spending that money was much better than buying a new $350 saw. So
yeah.
Thank you, appreciate that.
Anytime.